Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about classification and prediction of significant cyber incidents using data mining and machine learning algorithm. It is our abstract. Cyber incidents are becoming increasingly common and sophisticated. Significant cyber incidents can have a major impact on organization both financially and reputationally. This makes it more robust to noise, so there is a need for effective method to classify and predict significant cyber incidents. Traditional machine learning methods such as support vector machine and decision tree can have difficult to train and tune, and they may not be able to handle the complexity of significant cyber incident data. Random forest is a machine learning algorithm that can be used to classify and predict significant cyber incidents. Random forest is an ensemble learning algorithm that builds multiple outliers than the traditional machine learning algorithm. This result showed that random forest had the best performance in terms of accuracy, precision, and recall. It is our flow diagram. To use random forest for cyber incident classification and prediction, you first need to collect the data set of historical cyber incidents. After collecting the data set, you can pre-process the data. Pre-processing is an important step to remove the noise and outliers from the data and transform the data into the format that is suitable for the random forest algorithm. After pre-processing, the data can be split into two parts. One is trained data and another one is test data. Trained data is used to train the model and test data is used for evaluation. After splitting the data, the next step is to train the random forest model. This is done by randomly selecting a subset of data and building a decision tree for each subset. The prediction of decision tree are then combined to make a final decision. Once the random forest model is trained, it can classify the new cyber incident and predict the cyber incidents. Now we see our output. First go to the home page and run the file. You may start by clicking the start button. If you are a new user, you may click here and register. After registration, you log in with your username and a password. After login, you first load the dataset. And click the load option. The data will be stored successfully. You may see the data and click the next button. In this, we pre-process the data to remove the unwanted data. After pre-processing, you may split the data as trained data and test data. By clicking the view option, you may see the trained data, and clicking the test data, you will see the test data. And finally, go to the result. In this, the random forest model will be trained and predict the values. Thank you.